And this is Robbie. Si Robbie, malapit na ito ma-certify. Ano ba tingin mo? Papasa ka ba? Papasa ka? Parang hindi. Sandali, hindi kaya sigurado eh. Papasa ka ba?
Yeah.
Sure ka? Yung exams kahapon, ipinasa mo. Lahat ng answers, alam mo. Tetestingin kita. Anong ibig sabihin ng decompression dive saka no deco dive?
Decompression dive yung you will dive in within the limit of some meters.
Yes. Muntik mo na nakalimutan. Decompression dive is you are a good boy. Di ba? Because you follow the dive table, you follow the computers. Ano naman yung bad boy?
Yung hindi ka nagpa-follow sa
yes! Yes, alam niyo yung mga bad boy, yun yung mga gumagawa ng mga deco dive. Yung no deco dive, good boy yun. So, alam mo na ang difference. Okay. So, bakit ba? Pag nag-deco dive ka, anong penalty sa'yo? Pag nag-deco dive ka?
You have to rest for like 24 hours.
4 hours? Well, that's one. You have to rest 24 hours before you fly. Yeah. I'm talking about, nag-deco ka ng let's say 1 minute, what's the penalty?
You have to add another 5 minutes.
Yes! Galing mo! So 5 minutes plus the 3 minutes safety stop, 8 minutes. Eh, paano kung wala ka ng hangin? Paano mo gagawin ngayon yun? Wala ka ng hangin. How can you rest for 8 minutes on a safety stop?
You have to do
Tama! Tama! You have to do a sesa kasi wala ka ng hangin. Forget about whatever happens to your body, at least you're still alive. Alright? Magaling ka, mukhang papasa ka. Madadami na naman yung mga diver. Lalaki na naman ang negosyante ng mga dive center at resort. Madadagdagan yung kanilang kita because of you. Alright? So now, let's get wet and let's go
diving.
scuba diving. Yeah. Alright?